Okay, now on to the main course. So we are continuing down a West African kind of vibe with something called chicken yassa. So we've got some lovely chicken legs, some quinoa. This is our yassa sauce. I guess traditionally you wouldn't use quinoa. They would traditionally use something called fonio, but I didn't have any of that, so we've gone for quinoa instead because it's a similar sort of vibe. We have got this olive and parsley kind of mix, some peanuts and some chilli. Okay, so first things first, chicken in the oven. The oven is pretty hot, we're on about 190. We're going to just kind of re-roast these chickens. So in there you go. Got a little bain-marie for warming up the quinoa, so just some water in there, that on top. And pop our quinoa in. Then we're going to take half of our olive and parsley paste, and that's going to be what dresses the quinoa. There we go, that's just gently warming. I guess it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes for the chicken. So that'll probably take about the same sort of time. Once it's simmering, obviously we'll just turn it right down. And then the other thing to do is to warm our yassa sauce. It's really nice, zingy, lemony sauce we got. Okay, so that's on low. I'm just going to put a little bit of water in. There we go. And just let that all cook away. Okay, so I think my chicken's ready. Sizzling hot, looking good. For plating, the first thing we're going to do, get our quinoa. There in the middle. I have some tongs for this, but I don't know where I put them. So then the chicken. And then this is sauce. I'm just going to whack it all in here. Nice big dollop of the sauce under there. So I'm going to take the rest of this. Olive and parsley. Dot some chilies around, if you desire. You obviously don't have to put them on, but I like it.
If you shop at CSONS, you have to put chili on. No excuse.
Yeah, we like chili on everything really, but some people don't like it too hot, do they? Okay, so that's the chili. Oh, and then the peanut.